Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Hockey LEGO set is probably one of the most exciting and detailed building experiences for any hockey fan or LEGO enthusiast, offering a unique blend of sport and creativity that brings the thrill of the game right to your tabletop. This set isn't just about assembling bricks, it's about constructing a miniature arena, complete with players, goals, and all the iconic elements that make hockey so captivating, providing hours of engaging fun and a fantastic display piece once completed. Number 5. LEGO Ideas 21319 Central Perk Building Kit. Step back in time to the beloved Central Perk Cafe, recreated in LEGO bricks. This set is packed with authentic details, ready to spark hilarious memories from the classic Friends TV show. Unbox a buildable Central Perk studio, complete with Ross, Rachel, Chandler, Monica, Joey, Phoebe, and Gunther minifigures. They come with cool accessories, perfect for reenacting your favorite scenes. This 1070-piece collectible toy offers a rewarding building experience for adults aged 16 and up. It's a fantastic gift for any fan of Friends memorabilia, whether you build solo or with loved ones. This set is compatible with all LEGO construction toys, bricks, and characters. Feel free to create your own unique mashup models and tell your own stories. Measuring over 4 inches high, 11 inches wide, and 8 inches deep, this colorful gift makes a big impression. It's perfect for displaying in any room or office, showcasing your love for the show. What we like. This set brings the beloved Friends TV show to life with incredible detail. If you're a die-hard fan of the show and love recreating iconic moments, this is the perfect set for you. It offers a rewarding building experience and a fantastic display piece for any fan's collection. What people say. The set is a great addition to the LEGO City collection. It includes a hockey rink, 2 teams of players, and accessories like pucks and sticks. The minifigures are well designed and capture the essence of hockey players. Number 4. LEGO Star Wars The Razor Crest 75292. Embark on an epic building adventure with this detailed LEGO brick model of the Razor Crest starship. It's inspired by the iconic Star Wars, The Mandalorian series. This set comes with a fantastic crew, including the Mandalorian, Greef Karga, Scout Trooper, and the child, also known as Baby Yoda. An IG-11 droid figure is also included. Explore its cool features like the dual minifigure cockpit, 2 spring-loaded shooters, and a detachable escape pod for thrilling escapes. The cargo hold boasts opening side boarding ramps for effortless access. Inside, you'll find carbonite bounty elements and a cozy sleeping area. Recreate exciting battles from the Mandalorian and the child's adventures against the Scout Trooper and other foes. The included weapons add to the action. This amazing LEGO Star Wars collectible set is an ideal birthday present or any-day gift for Star Wars fans aged 10 and up. It's perfect for both boys and girls. What we like. Embark on an intergalactic adventure with this iconic starship from The Mandalorian. If you're a fan of the Star Wars universe, especially the hit series, this set is a must-have. It includes beloved characters and offers exciting play scenarios for aspiring bounty hunters. What people say. The set includes a detailed hockey rink with goals and a scoreboard. The minifigures are well designed with authentic hockey uniforms. It features playable elements like shooting pucks and moving players. Number 3. Loose Moose Hover Soccer Ball Set. Get ready for exciting indoor play with this set of 2 LED hover soccer balls. They are perfect for kids and make a great gift for birthdays and everyday fun. These hover soccer balls feature soft foam bumpers, ensuring safe play indoors. They are designed to protect your furniture and walls, making them ideal for boys and girls. With bright LED lights, these floating soccer balls add extra excitement to any playtime. They are perfect for dimly lit rooms and make any occasion magical. Encourage physical activity and coordination by kicking and chasing these LED hover soccer balls. They are a fantastic choice for active kids who love soccer. Looking for the perfect gift? This hover soccer ball set is a top pick for birthdays and holidays. It offers endless fun and active play for your little sports fan. This set is a hit for kids aged 4 to 12. It's perfect for parties and everyday play, providing hours of entertainment for everyone. What we like. Get ready for endless indoor fun with these exciting hover soccer balls. If you're looking for a way to keep kids active and entertained indoors, this set is ideal. The bright LED lights add an extra layer of excitement, making it perfect for parties or dimly lit rooms. What people say. The set is a great addition to the LEGO City collection, featuring a detailed hockey rink with realistic markings and accessories. The minifigures are well designed, with unique hockey uniforms and equipment, making them perfect for imaginative play. The building experience is engaging and straightforward, suitable for both experienced LEGO builders and newcomers. Number 2. Playmobil NHL Shootout Carry Case. Get ready to score the game-winning goal with this exciting NHL Shootout Carry Case. It's perfect for young hockey fans. This compact case lets your child explore their imagination by choosing their favorite NHL teams to face off. It's easy to take anywhere. When playtime is over, simply store all the pieces inside the case for next time. Keep everything organized and ready for more fun. The set includes 2 players, 1 goalie, a net, a puck, and other accessories to get the game started right away. These figures are designed to bend, sit, stand, and turn their heads, allowing for dynamic and realistic play scenarios. Your child can enjoy playing with this set on its own, or combine it with other Playmobil sets for hours of imaginative fun. What we like. Score big with this portable hockey shootout set. If you love hockey and enjoy imaginative play on the go, this is the perfect choice. The convenient carry case makes it easy to take the fun anywhere, and you can even choose your favorite NHL teams to face off. What people say. This set is a great addition to my LEGO City. The details on the players and the rink are fantastic. It was fun to build and looks great on display. Number 1. Playmobil NHL Stanley Cup Presentation Set. Experience the thrill of victory with the NHL Stanley Cup Presentation Set. It's time to celebrate the champions. This set features everything you need for an authentic trophy presentation. 2 presenters, the iconic cup, and a dedicated table are included. Crafted by Playmobil, Germany's largest toy manufacturer, you can expect exceptional quality. It's designed for endless fun and learning. Our figures are designed for dynamic play. They can bend, sit, stand, and even turn their heads for realistic action. Spark your child's imagination and encourage exploration. This toy makes learning an exciting adventure. What we like. Relive the glory of hockey's ultimate prize with this Stanley Cup presentation set. If you're looking to recreate the excitement of a championship win, this set is perfect. It allows for imaginative play centered around the prestigious award and the thrill of victory. What people say. The set is a great display piece with intricate details. The minifigures are well designed and capture the essence of hockey players. It was fun to build and the final model looks impressive on a shelf. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.